Hey guys, welcome to Pinky Tech and Review, and today I'm going to make an unbox video and a sound test for this SuperTooth D4 Bluetooth speaker. So first of all, this Bluetooth speaker, it's shaped like a megaphone, and it's got two colors, black and purple, so which I've got the purple one. And first impression is very heavy, and the box, it doesn't really have anything, it's just a speaker and some wires down here. So now back to the box, it's nothing else, so let's just start taking out all the things inside. So actually the box is sealed with this kind of melted plastic thing, so maybe I'll have to use a scissors to open it. Alright, so now I've got the other part of the box cut open, and actually it's very hard work because the plastic is very hard. I have to use a pair of scissors, and so let's open it up like this. Alright, so just gonna take out the speaker first and the paper wrapping around it. So you just slide it out the other way. Alright. And inside the box you get a 3.5mm audio jack wire and a cable and the instruction manual, 3 different languages. So this is the English version. So you can see all the specs of the speaker here. So after this 3 user manual, and there's this other paper here, which is a small papers about their website assistance. Yeah, so you can go onto this website to check out their stuff. Right, moving on to the speaker, and here it is. So first of all, it's got this rubber handle, so you can hold it like this. It does feel like a megaphone, and the design is very nice. I like that. And then there's this NFC icon, so you can pair your phone, and all the buttons are at the back. So there's the power button, the pairing button, charging, and the audio in. So you use the cable to plug to your computer if your computer or your phone doesn't have Bluetooth. And that's pretty much about the speaker out on the outside. Now let's try to turn it on. So you have to hold the power button, and now it's flashing blue and red, so you have to pair it with a Bluetooth. So I'm going to use a phone. So you just scan for the speaker. So you got, this is the name for it. So now it's paired and it plays a sound. So there you go. And coming up now is going to be an audio test for the speaker while I use another camera to pan the video around.
I feel so good.
So that's done with the sound test, and I'm going to show you what happens when I turn the volume to max, because this is what happens when most Bluetooth speakers starting to distort the sound. So how well can this speaker work with max volume? So let's find out. So this speaker goes very loud in max volume. I'll have to shout over to the microphone so you can hear me. So this speaker can go up to very loud at max volume, and I actually have to shout over to the microphone so if you can hear me. So this speaker is got a special system inside which limits the max volume for the bass, and so it limits the bass to keep the mids and highs in balance so it doesn't distort. Actually it doesn't distort, but if you turn it to max volume and you play a lot of bass songs, and the sound will start to sound a bit weird, because the system kicking in is going to make the bass sound low and yet make the mid sound normal, so the sound will sound a bit weird. So I'm going to show you with another song. So let's try with a second song. I'm going to turn it back to max volume again. And the speaker does fill up a room very well. So that's the sound test over, and let's conclude up everything about the speaker. So first of all, the design is very special. It feels like a megaphone, and it does look like one, especially the handle. And it's made of plastic, which doesn't really feel nice when you hold it, and it's got this plastic sound to it, and that is quite uncomfortable to hear when you hit it. But overall it's cheap, so for something this cheap, this is quite a good speaker for its design and its sound quality. And moving on to its battery life, on paper it says it will last up to 3 to 5 hours on max volume, and up to 10 hours of medium volume jazz music. That's what it says on the paper, so it might be like that. And for the sound quality, it actually sounds very nice. Just don't turn it up to max volume a lot, because the sound does get distorted. It doesn't get distorted, but the sound quality gets lower when you turn it up to max volume, because of the system kicking in to protect the speaker from distortion. So if you put it at 75% volume, it should sound very nice, and it's a very nice speaker for the price range, although it doesn't have a stereo system, which something else would have. So that's it for this speaker, and I hope this video has helped you, and subscribe for more videos, and goodbye.